What's up YouTube, it's your boy Barber back at it again with another video. I got my boy AB right now in the chair, and in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a high bald fade with a super clean part. Stay tuned. So as you can see, my homeboy got some waves on top. So what you want to do is brush before you actually cut it. That way you can get all the hair laid down, and it also shows the client that you're comfortable with waves. So I got my wall curl, the seniors with the number 1 guard on it, and I'm going to be cutting with the grain with the lever all the way closed. And when you cut waves, you want to cut it down the direction it grows, starting from the cowlick and out. To start off this high bald fade, I got my End and Slimline Pros, and I'm going to be creating my first bald line kind of over the hook area, because in this high bald fade there will not be any hooks. Next up, I got my wall 5-star finales, and I'm going to go ahead and full shave just beneath that first bald line. And I know I usually say don't use the full shavers on coarse hair clients, but in this case, the side of his head is, the hair is pretty laid down and it's nice and trained. But I mean, it's always good to ask before you use them. For my next step, I'm going to be making a no guard open lever guideline going up about 1/2 inch. For my next step, I got the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go ahead and bump out that bald line going up just a bit. For my next step, I'm going to be opening and closing the lever, and I'm going to go ahead and blend out that guideline. Next, using my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way closed, and I'm going to go ahead and make another guideline going up another 1/2 inch. Next, I got my 1/2 guard, and I'm going to be opening and closing the lever just to blend out the rest of that guideline. Next, using my 1.5 guard, I got the lever all the way closed, and I'm going up another 1/2 inch, but I'm not actually making another guideline, I'm actually blending it in with the top. Going back to using my number 1 guard, I got the lever all the way open, and I'm going to go back to blending the rest of this fade, just cleaning it up using the corners of my blade. where I start this part, I'm gonna start a little off from the middle. So at first I'm gonna be using the whole blade of the clipper, and as it hooks, I'm gonna start using the corner of it. So if you notice, as I'm doing the part, that my blade is only facing up. So the key to a cleaner, crispier part is actually flipping your blade upside down and also touching up the other side of the line. That way, not only the top is crispy, but the whole thing is gonna pop. So right here I'm just adding a little enhancement just to give this cut a crispier look. But besides that, YouTube, this is pretty much the end of the cut. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial or it helped you out in any way, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you guys want to keep updated on any upcoming YouTube videos or for daily posts, follow me on Instagram at Barber and book your next appointment with me on Booksy.
You say I ain't in my bag, what you mean, cousin? Tryna ball with the gang, we need more strips. Had to get it out the mud, it wasn't always like this, ayy. We bustin' moves if my niggas ain't together. All these diamonds on the nigga, cause I stay applying pressure, ayy. Don't sleep, I gotta apply pressure. Need strips, I gotta apply pressure. Don't sleep, I gotta apply pressure. Need strips, I gotta apply pressure, ayy. Hustle, ayy, damn, just tryna give me $1. Apply pressure at your neck like a collar. Balenciaga kickstand, copping these. All these birds in my pockets like some Robin jeans. Ayy, what is hitting for, nigga, what's the price? Taking all the cheese like I hit him on the dice. With the gang all the time, gotta hustle my mans. If you see 5 of us, it's at least 10 bands. Had to put in work for this ice on a nigga double take. Make a bitch look twice at a nigga flexed up on these